Hello, fellow Americans. This is Mr. Steffler coming to you from room 111 in Clintondale Middle School. It's very sad for me to say that I am attending a family funeral for my beloved grandmother for the next 3 days, and while I'm gone, I'm going to want you to work on your concept map assignment. The concept map assignment is a lengthy assignment, and it is a finished assignment, but you're going to have plenty of time and plenty of resources to use, and it's not due until not this Friday, but next Friday. So I'm going to be back on Monday to help you work the kinks out of your assignment, but we've got to definitely get some things done. So let's talk about what the assignment is. The assignment is it's going to be a finished concept map, and at the end, I want your concept map to have 4 pictures. And I want your concept map to have 4 people, 4 places, 4 events, and 4 vocabulary words that you think are the most important in chapter 12. So let's just start out by how are we going to do this assignment? And where am I going to get the information? The first answer is where you're going to get the information is from the book. Everybody needs to use their book, which the book is on Edmodo, and we also have paper copies, and I'm going to try to print out a few copies of the book so everybody has their own book, and you need to go through the book, and you need to find all the people first. Every person in the book, find in chapter 12. Once you've done that, start to go through and cross off the ones that you think are least important until you're down to 4. You're going to need to do the same thing with the places. You write down every place that you find in the book. Then start crossing off the places that you think are least important. The same with events. Which events? Write down all the events, every battle, every treaty, every affair, everything that happened in chapter 12. Write them all down. Then start eliminating them by which ones are least important. And finally, with vocabulary words, it's not just the words that are highlighted in your book. It could also be words that you didn't know. It could also be words that could be things such as a treaty or a document. Any type of vocabulary word or a thing that is in the book can go in that 4th quadrant. The number 1 thing for each quadrant, the number 1 person, number 1 place, number 1 event, and the number 1 vocabulary word need to go in the middle. With at least 1 sentence explanation. Now, another thing that we need to concentrate on is that this is a finished document. So you need to, once you have eliminated the people, places, things, and events that you don't use, you need to write a sentence why each one of these is a reason. You need to give me the reasons why you chose these ones. You need to give me a reason why. Like, for example, who's the best team in the NBA now? Well, most people would say Golden State. The next question, well, why? Well, Golden State's the best because they're undefeated, and they won the championship last year. Those are 2 good reasons. So you need to give me reasons why you think, let's say, the War of 1812, most important event. Well, why? You have to tell me why. So once you have those things done, then you need to choose your pictures. And you need to draw your pictures a couple of times. You need to practice drawing your pictures. You don't practice on your final sheet. You practice somewhere else. I'm going to give you plenty of paper to work with. So you practice, and you have 4 colored pictures, 1 for each quadrant. And then in the center, you have your choice to either write the title of your concept map, or you can make a 5th picture. So, obviously, this video is on Edmodo. There's an example on Edmodo. I don't want you to copy the example on Edmodo. You're going to get marked down severely if you do. But that's not saying that you wouldn't have some of the same stuff as they do on Edmodo or on the example. I'm available for questions. on Edmodo. Please give me some patience, probably till Saturday, to get back with you on that stuff. And please be kind to the substitute, kind to one another. And God bless you, and God bless America.